Oi guys, guys, 私は大学が嫌いでさ、朝起きるのが嫌い。寝たいだけだ。入れない。
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me, Jayashree here. So today is Monday. Actually, I have to go for my immunology class, and also today is a presentation day. Like, you know, instead of doing test, I can do my presentation. The thing is, I didn't go to class. There is no energy to wake up from the bed, and also there, like, outside it's very cold. I have cold, cough, throat infection, fever again. And I have chest cold too, so I'm not able to breathe and also not able to talk properly. But now I'm gonna do the AVI process, like the vaporizer. Yes, vaporizer thing, so that my mom said I'll get better. Yes, and also I'm gonna take shower because I don't know, I feel so disgusting. I feel so sick. I feel so bad. Yeah. This statement is going to be like Avi Pudika Pora in the Pavi. Let's start. Actually, there's a good, you know, like I'm just gonna update you something. There's a good update for all the iPhone users. I don't know for all the iPhone users, but for me, yes. When the song is running behind, you can take video. I'm gonna study for my pathology and anatomy, and I'll do some Georgian quiz, which is mandatory to do. So I'll do that and I'll sleep. Before that, I'm gonna go and get shower so that I'll feel a bit new, like a new person. Me too. I love this. It feels like my Cooper all the time. Whenever I'm sleeping, I'll just, you know, grab him. I'll just squeeze. I'll just hug him and sleep. Michu is like my Michu. I'm being so cringe, I know. When I went to India, I sleep with my mom, my brother. It's like all the day with them, like it's so good. But sleeping with Cooper is like it's like a heavenly feel, you know. He'll like, I can hear his snore, the snore sound, and also he's like, it's breathing. So it's like cute me. Okay, I miss Cooper. I miss my family. The time, the days. Oh my god, memories.
The next morning.
So guys, this is my first time I'm giving voiceover. Actually, this is my easy, quick morning breakfast, like 2 omelette. That's it. And now I'm gonna make a cucumber juice. I always drink cucumber juice, which is very healthy and also make me energetic. So guys, here's the recipe. I'm gonna tell you how to do the cucumber juice. Cut the cucumbers, add few drops of lemon and salt.
Actually, if it's like this, how will I go to my class? I don't know who is watching maybe 7, like maybe 8. This year there's a contestant called Saundarya. Actually, I'm getting her voice day by day.
பாய்ஸ்க்காக வச்சிருக்காங்கன்னு நினச்சி எடுத்து சாப்பிட்டேன்.
It's so windy here. You can see. I'm in this worst condition right now. I came here to buy some groceries. I'm buying, spaghetti so I can do whenever I want to eat something. I bought spaghetti and also milk so I can drink. I have I have a worst cold, so I can drink golden milk night. Like golden milk is like a turmeric milk, so I can drink at night. And also I bought some Starbucks coffee powder. It's unnecessary now, but still I just want to eat something good. And also I ate shawarma now so that I can take medicine. Like, so finally I'm gonna tell you what happened in the class. I went to the class, like I was thinking I should not go to the class. I have to take rest, like proper rest, because like my nose is completely blocked, my ears are blocked, everything is blocked. I'm breathing with the mouth, breathing and speaking together. It's very hard actually. And also the main thing is I went to the class finally. I was trying to answer as much as possible because I prepared, but not really well, because my brain is not braining anymore. Like it's totally off. And also I was trying to answer her, like she's not giving me time. Like she's like, tell me the answer. She's like in a hurry. I was like trying to answer, like she's not letting me to think. I also said it's okay. Rather getting like 0 marks, like not going to the class, I just got, for 1 mark I got 0.5. It's okay-ish. Like for next week I'll do better for sure, I guess. And also like I like all my friends, like this is the basic thing, very important thing is here. Like so many people, like so many friends of mine told me that go and get medicine from the Georgian shop, Georgian pharmacy. There'll be some medical assistant who knows about the medicine, so they'll give you the medicine according to your health condition. So I told them that I have heavy cold, like chest cold kind of flu, and they gave me paracetamol, but this is anti-cold and anti-flu medicine. But please go to the pharmacy and tell them your condition, what's happening, and then go and get the medicine. Don't buy just like that. And yeah, it cost around, there's like 10 medicines in this. It's 10 gel. Oh my god, actually it's okay, but still my money is gone. I don't want to waste my money. It's not wasting money, but still. Shawarma now, rest of the shawarma, and I'll eat, I'll put medicine, I'll sleep, and I'll wake up. I'll have to study for the clinical skills and also the histology. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm completely sick, guys.
I was actually very excited to taste it, but it's not that good, but it's good, like okay-ish. Actually, I was eating this dal and pickle for dinner because I was having fever. Actually, I'm just done with my 3-part. Tomorrow I have histology seminar. I just done with my salivary glands, pancreas, but still I have liver to complete. But I'll complete tomorrow morning, maybe, because now the time is 3 a.m. I'll sleep for 1 hour, 2 hours, and I'll wake up, I'll study again, or like I'll study now. I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll see. There's no sleep. I'm
Sleep.
The next morning.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today where we are going for class. Naya class with we are going for clinical skills 2
And histology.
and histology. For histology, histology for histology. We didn't study anything properly, but we'll see.
Clinical പഠിച്ചാണ്
Clinical, but we can manage, right? Somehow.
Yeah.
It's wheelchair.
അത് മാത്രമല്ല കുറെ മസിൽസ് അത് ഇതൊക്കെ വേറെ ഉണ്ട്
ഇല്ല അത് തപ്പാണ് ടോപ്പിക്ക് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കണം ബുക്ക് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കണം
ഞാൻ പഠിച്ചു
actually we walk like a penguin. Tak 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 tak. Wow.
Okay, and then I need to close it in a clockwise position. I can move in a clockwise position like 2 times. Then I hold the tip of the short one, and I have to make the knot in this position. So firstly I did in this way, and the another will be like this, and again I don't like how you hold. It's better when you hold like this position.
अरे पूछना ये वाली है
Okay.
और ये वाली भी है
எவ்வளவு கேள முடியுமா அவர் கேள முடியாது You are eating low biryani?
No,
Sorry, kartupili.
ഇത് പേര്
Kartupili. The main thing of the kartupili is you can get it in any convenience store, like wherever you can see, and like where you can see the red box shop, you can go and get it, which is for 1.8 to 2 gels. It's inside there's a potato filling. That's it. Like my
Nothing
mom,
else.
my mom forced me to tell this in one of a boy's vlog. There's information about this kartupili. My mom was like, "Why don't you tell about these details? You have to tell." So I'm telling because my mom forced me to tell this. And also I met one of my fan, and she said that she loves me and she loved my vlogs. I love it, I love you so much. I forgot her name. Oh my god.
ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് ഉത്തരവാദിത്വം ഇല്ലാത്ത
She was very cute, like very very cute, damn cute. പിടിച്ചാ
എന്റെ കൈ തണുക്കുന്നു വിളിക്കാം
Okay guys, bye. This is what I'm studying right now. And she's doing there. No one is there in this room. Guys, my liver is not livering. My brain is braining, but liver is not livering.
My pancreas is not a pancreas.
So we are going for a histology test, but we don't know what we're So today we have Dimitri's class. Physio. Pasna. We have Dimitri's class. We don't know what we are gonna do, but still, we have to go to the class.
Because we are excited.
We have to save our lives. நம்ம சேவ் லைஃப்ஸ் இல்லை இதுக்கப்புறம். We have to save our lives now. Okay guys, bye. We have to study. Tata.
Thank you.